Day 3 in Puerto Rico, and we are heading to the beach. This is what your surrounding is looking like. Come on. So I just got off the shuttle and now I'm walking down to the beach area. And you guys should come along with me to see what it's like over here. Alright? So it is a nice day, very not humid at all. Just a little breeze going on coming off the sea, and this is what it's looking like, guys. Wow, not bad at all, from this angle, as you can see. So as you can see, that's the far beach up there, and that's where we headed. But I just want to show you. And if you look all the way out here, you can see the Puerto Rican flag out there. Ah, nice. Little surrounding, as you can see over here, we have the little palm trees going on here. Beach is over there. A lot of people are there, and wow, are you going into the water, Kiman? Are you? Can't come to the beach just to be looking pretty. And as you can see, what is it here? Things in Spanish. Bueno. Bathroom bonos. Going on the side. Okay. Yeah. Yes, guys, coming into this beach area, I think you have to pay for parking. Yes, parking is not for free. So here we are, huh? Up there on the hill there. Yeah. This is what it's looking like up on here. Talk about scenery, and look over here. That is the sea for you. Isn't that gorgeous? Wow. Your eyes, guys. This is what it looks like in Puerto Rico at this beach. The water is crystal clear, I can say that. And it's just a nice beach, to be honest with you. Look all the way over there, that's old San Juan, all the way down there, and I'm looking straight at the historical site where you have the castle and all that. So yeah, this is Puerto Rico for you. If you are new here, guys, my name is Bean Sonia Williams. Thanks for coming. Over here it's a bit dangerous. This is kind of a cliff area. Down there at the bottom, that's where you would swim. And as you can see, a lot of people are in the water. Back to the beach once more in San Juan. I'm just walking up this hill to see how it's looking up here. A lot of coconut trees. I really like this place, man. It's a nice place. If you want to take really good pictures with background, scenery background, this is a place to be in San Juan. Wow. Nice little walk up the hill. Wow, guys, take a look over there. Talk about scenery. Look at all those palms over there. Palm tree, real coconut tree. I don't think you can just pick those coconuts, but these trees actually have coconuts on them. And from up here, that's the beach right there. What's the name of the beach, Kimberly? And Escambron Beach. Very nice beach. Water is crystal clear, not too crowded, and you have all these palm trees over here, and over here there's another beach over there, and all the hotels are in this little spot right here. So I can recommend this beach to you because this is my second time here and it's very nice. So if you ever in San Juan, guys, consider this beach. You won't be disappointed. I've been here and I can tell you, it's nice. Water is crystal clear, but one thing, just know that you have to pay for the beach chairs. I think it's like $10. It's not free. And I would suggest walk with your snacks and stuff, because I'm not seeing a lot of vendors like, you know, selling stuff. You have a Kentucky Fried Chicken like a block up the street, and also a nice burger place. Burger is very good. And here we go, very nice. I like especially the palm trees, giving me the Jamaican vibes. So over that side is a little choppy today. I don't think anyone is swimming up there. And guys, guess what I saw? First time I came here, a lot of iguanas. Big, really big ones. First time seeing those ones, you know, in person. Those you can see like if you're watching the TV and all of that. But in person I was like, oh wow. Really very huge. Guys, look at this lizard, big old lizard iguana right here. Come on, there's another one up here. Guys, there's a lot of iguana in Puerto Rico. There's a big one right there. Crawling into those bushes, so one has to be very careful. I don't know if they are harmful. I don't know. These are sea grapes. So look. Huh? Oh, these are the blackbird that was bothering us yesterday at the restaurant. All them cling. Is there another beach over there?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
It's kids over there scuba diving and stuff like that.
Oh, okay.
It's nice.
All right. Thanks. Okay. Oh, okay. So guys, this is another beach. We just learned that there's another beach over there, over here where we are going, where you can do scuba diving and all that. So as you can see guys, I have the scuba. This is the scuba. If you want to do scuba diving, this is the area for you. And people are swimming over here also. Wow. See, it's good to explore. We didn't know there's another section over here. And it's really, really nice. See, people are in the water over there. Yeah. You want to take pictures now? I want one of these. You see, as you can see. Yeah, I like this one over here. Very awesome. You like this one over here? Crowded? That is. Up there. I want one of those here. I'm thirsty. Over here is more private. It's not that crowded as the one over there. So this is kind of a little bit secluded, and it's much deeper. Oh, is that a swimming grade? I don't know. I guess. So guys, we are still in so we are still down here in San Juan, just in the beach area. And here you go guys, this is very rough over here. I think no swimming over here. It's strictly, I don't know if you can fish. It's even getting dark. If you look up there, the sky is so dark up there. It's about to rain anytime now. And now I'm walking down to the other side of the beach. Now I'm thinking, do I really want to get into the water knowing that rain is about to come on down? I'm not sure about that. We'll see. Huh? Yeah, these are rough. Huh? Yeah, rough waves today. I don't know if I want to get in today, to be honest. Maybe we should just survey today and just leave. You want to get in? Alright. No problemo, my dear. At least the other day I got in. You did not. So guys, up this side here, this is where I saw those big iguanas up in this little area up here. So just know that you gotta look out for them. So now we are back over on this side of the beach, which is more popular, more people over here this side. So it's pretty much a whole stretch of water, different sections, little patches here and there. Huh? Somebody there? Dog. Okay. Alright, do your thing and let's go in the water. Yeah.